In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $9,200 just in 2 weeks promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission. So let's get started. So I made this commission just from the first day of April until the day 15 of April. Okay, so it's almost 15 days, so it's like 2 weeks. Okay, so anyway, for people who are new and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy, guys. You just need to use your email address and that's it. So just come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Here you go, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission and this is the best and profitable business, affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, so just click over here on join now and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Answer next few questions and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Okay, so you have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and so on. Okay, super easy. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. Okay, so pay attention. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the search and you need to search for gaming video editing. Search for this service. Okay, after you finish, so I want you to pay attention like I said. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Like for example, let me see if we can find a good one. Like this one is really good. So like this one has a lot of reviews. It's almost 500 reviews. That's really a lot. Almost 5 star. He is really so he's providing good service. So what you will do, you will click on his service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, the seller has 11 orders in queue. Okay, that's really good. A lot of reviews. Level 2 sellers are really good. So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. So like I said, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, and so on. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, okay, and put this seller profile link here. Click on save Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. So let's go to Facebook. Go and open your Facebook homepage like this. You guys all have Facebook. Okay, super easy. Just open your Facebook homepage like this. Click on the search. Okay, and search for gaming YouTube. Okay, search for gaming YouTube and click on the search. Okay, like this. Here you go. You have here filters. Okay, scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Okay, so you guys don't know really the potential of Facebook. You can get so much traffic from Facebook groups. Okay, let me show you. So you don't know that. So did you know that Facebook has 16 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can really get so much traffic from Facebook groups. Millions of people are using Facebook every single day. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do, search for, click on groups, search for YouTube gaming groups, click on join. So make sure to join all those groups. Okay, so let's check, for example, this group over here. Okay, and here you go. So just click on the group that you want to use, scroll down, and here you go. Here is a person has a YouTube gaming channel. Okay, and this is his YouTube gaming video. Okay, as you can see. So why those people are posting their YouTube gaming videos links here? Those people have small gaming YouTube channels and they want to grow their YouTube gaming channels. Okay, so those people who has gaming YouTube channels, they will be interested to buy this gaming video editing service. Okay, this seller will edit their gaming YouTube videos. This seller will make those videos a professional, more engaging, and will keep viewers watching those videos. So those people will grow their YouTube channels using this gaming editing service. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, if you scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who has gaming YouTube channels. Okay, as you can see, we have even Twitch. You can also search for Twitch service on Fiverr if you want to use this service. Okay, here is another person with his gaming YouTube video. Anyway, let's check this. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to this person. Okay, let me show you. This person has a gaming YouTube channel. I will click on message. Okay, so I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my affiliate link. So how you can create a friendly and professional message that can convince those people to buy this service from your affiliate link. What you will do, you will go back to Google, search for Chat GPT. Okay, we will use AI to create a friendly and professional message. Okay, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, create your account. It's for free and you can use just the free version. After you finish, this will be your homepage. So ask ChatGPT. I already asked him to create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy a gaming video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT created this professional and friendly message. Hey everyone, are you a gaming who loves creating awesome video content but find editing a bit of a challenge? Look no further. I have recently come across an incredible gaming video editing service on Fiverr that's been a game changer for me. Amazing, guys. Okay, this is a professional and friendly message. Okay, and over here, if you are ready to take your gaming content to the next level without the hassle of spending hours editing, I highly recommend giving them a try. There is the link to check out their service. It's really professional. So what you will do, I will just copy this message, okay? And here your Fiverr affiliate link. Here I will put my Fiverr affiliate link. So I will copy this message. I will go and I will send this message to this person like this, okay? So I will delete this the first part, so to make it really good, okay, like this. Let's scroll down, feel free to adjust better, and I will delete this part. I will delete also this part, and here you go, okay. So what you will do next, you will put your affiliate link here, okay. We have a good message now. We just need to put our affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you have a new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this Fiverr CPA old plan, but you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. So for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I still have this option, okay? Anyway, it's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. So for me, I always use this website to make this affiliate link short. It doesn't matter, okay? It's not important, but for me, I really like to make it short, okay? Click on shorten and your affiliate link will be short link. I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Facebook. I will put my affiliate link here like this, okay, and here you go. Click on send and your message will be sent to this person like this, okay. Here you go. Your message will be sent to this person like this. If this person is really taking his gaming YouTube channel seriously, he wants to grow his YouTube gaming channel, make his videos more engaging, professional, he will check this service, okay? He will contact you back. He will check this service. If he click on your affiliate link, for example, here like this, let's check. For example, if he click on your affiliate link, he will be directly to this seller profile page. As you can see, the seller even providing discount 10% of your first order. It's really good. This seller, your customer will see this. This seller has a lot of reviews. Level 2 seller, 11 orders in queue. Already have an example here, video example. Already edited videos gaming, as you can see. Okay. He will click on continue. He will buy this service from your affiliate link.
You need an
You will
experienced
earn
video
commission.
editor to edit your YouTube videos. Well, then you probably need someone who's edited for Sideman, Circa, TDG, and someone that probably holds record for the 27th most viewed Instagram video of all time with 20 million views.
This seller is really good. He has experience, and those people, they just started their YouTube gaming videos and they will be interested to buy this service. If you know how we can talk with those people, how we can convince those people, they will buy those services from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. And that's it. This is the method I'm using, guys. So I share with you how you can create your affiliate account, how you can promote your affiliate links for free, how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So it's just up to you. So what's left is your work, okay? You need to learn how you can sell, learn the skills of selling. You should have these skills, okay? You need to learn how you can sell, how you can talk with your customers. Those are your customers, okay? You will find a lot of people here who has YouTube gaming channels. They will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, okay. Here is another person has a YouTube gaming channel, as you can see, okay. You can click over here, you can click on message, send professional message to this person with your affiliate link with this service about YouTube gaming video editing service. Those people, if they are really taking their, so for me, if I have a YouTube channel and I'm taking it seriously, I want to grow my YouTube channel, of course I will get this service. I will give this service a try and I will buy this service, okay, to grow my gaming YouTube channel, okay. It's super easy, and that's it. This is the method, guys, that I'm using. It's up to you if you want to start or not. You need to stay consistent. Choose, you can find a lot of groups that you can use, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will still share a lot of profitable services on this YouTube channel about affiliate marketing. And see you in my next video.